nas maka. Więc chodź do tańca, gdy krok to szansa i los nam gra. Mam duszę starca, nie umywalca na palcach hand. Na palcach hand, na palcach hand.
Hi, and thanks for watching this AVG PC Tuneup video tutorial. This tutorial is focused on covering the basic features of AVG PC Tuneup 2014. First, let's start up the program by double-clicking on the icon on the desktop. The main screen of AVG PC Tuneup provides access to all modules and is divided into two main sections. The menu bar on the very top gives you access to the settings, as well as help and support tools. The Modules section in the center has 6 tabs, which navigate you to different parts of AVG PC Tuneup. In this tutorial, we will start with the Dashboard section and focus on the PC mode first. There is a set of 3 buttons: Economy, Standard, and Turbo. The Economy mode is an intelligent module for saving energy, which is good for laptops on battery power. It can also increase the performance of your PC at the same time. Another mode available in PC mode is the Turbo. It temporarily turns off certain functions and services to give your system an additional boost in performance. You can also change between those 3 modes by using the AVG PC Tuneup 2014 gadget on Windows Vista and higher operation systems. Please bear in mind that some system features like backups, updates, or network sharing might be disabled or postponed in Economy or Turbo modes. The next feature that AVG PC Tuneup 2014 offers is Flight Mode. Let's select this button and confirm the dialog. Flight Mode is on. It saves the battery and helps to comply with airline regulations by switching off the wireless devices such as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. You can easily turn it on again. Note that the switch cannot be used on computers without any wireless devices. The next part of Dashboard section is called Optimization Potential. Optimization Potential shows the extent to which Tuneup Utilities has managed to optimize your system. It shows the unused potential of AVG PC Tuneup and offers recommendations as to what tasks should be performed to gain the best performance and stability of the system. Other parts of the dashboard are called Maintenance, PC Performance, PC Health, and Rescue Center. Let's focus on the maintenance part. The Scan Now button allows us to run a set of maintenance tasks in one click. As you can see, it performs the set of predefined tasks. Since the first maintenance takes quite a long time, we can skip it for now, but you should actually wait for it to finish in your own program. Note that you can customize the set of these tasks by clicking the gear icon or use the setting menu. This applies not just for maintenance, but also for some other buttons and functions. The next section of Dashboard tab is called PC Performance. It shows detected opportunities for increasing the performance of your computer. To use this feature, we have to fill out the user profile to get recommendations optimized for our needs. Those settings are just examples. Your exact setting can vary depending on your actual setup and needs. Note that the icon has been changed from Scan Now to Show Details. It means that your preferred settings have been set. You can change those settings later using the gear icon or settings menu. Now we can check the recommendation by clicking Show Details button. In the next window, we can check recommendations divided in tabs: Hardware and Software, Internet Settings, and Visual Effects. There are detailed descriptions and advices of each recommendation. It's up to you whether to accept or hide each recommendation. Another section is PC Health. This section is used for searching the system for different errors which occur frequently and can be easily fixed. We can browse through a list of detected problems where each problem, if any are found, is described. AVG PC Tuneup 2014 gives you recommended solutions how to fix any problems it finds. We can also hide problems permanently or postpone the warning for up to 30 days. Let's close the window and go on to the next section. The last section in the Dashboard tab is called Rescue Center. It contains only one button called Undo Changes. We can undo all changes made by AVG PC Tuneup previously by selecting them and clicking the Restore button. The second option is the System Recovery, which allows you to roll back to the previous system restore point. Let's continue with the Optimize module. The Optimize System tab can be used to speed up and optimize the system. When we open the Optimize System tab and focus on the left side of the window, we can see 3 buttons to perform the following tasks. Disable Programs allows disabling programs that we're not using at the moment, but planning to use in the future that we might not want to completely uninstall. Disable Startup Programs allows us to disable processes and programs that are automatically started in the background at system startup. This task helps to accelerate system startup. Uninstall Programs shows us a list of installed programs and allows us to uninstall them. The Configure Live Optimization button gives you the option to enable 2 optimization measures for increasing the response and system startup rate. Both are enabled by default after the AVG PC Tuneup installation. The Configure Economy mode and Configure Turbo mode links open the settings for those functions. The next part of the Optimize tab is Optimize Registry and Performance on the right side. It allows running single maintenance tasks manually. Those tasks are used also when performing Scan Now from the Dashboard tab and were described previously. The next module is called Cleanup and is for cleaning up and creating more free disk space. There are several options in this module. Clean up windows and programs. This tool performs a search for unwanted files, like log files, temporary files, or your browser's cache, allowing users to gain more disk space by removing them. Clean Up Browser gives you the option of cleaning up your browser files, such as cache, cookies, and browsing history, not just to gain more space, but also to restore your privacy. Remove broken shortcuts. This function will search for invalid shortcuts and remove them to prevent error messages when calling up such references. Disable Windows Functions offers the possibility to disable some of Windows functions that are not needed by all users, but still take up disk space. Those functions are Hibernation, Windows Search Index, and Windows Messenger. You can also find the following options on the right side of the Cleanup tab. Find and remove duplicate files, searches your hard drive and lets you delete those files which are identical, even if they have different file names. Find and delete large amounts of data. Here we can find large files that take up disk space needlessly. Securely delete data. This is a tool for secure data wiping, ensuring that nobody will be able to restore files once they have been deleted. You can also see the savings potential info on the bottom of the Cleanup tab. It informs you how much space it is possible to save when we use all of the cleanup tools. Another tab is called Fix Problems. The Fix Problems tab is used for searching the system for different errors which occur frequently and can be easily fixed. The first option is Fix Common Problems. Let's select this button. The AVG Repair Wizard window will now open. Close the window. On the Fix Problems tab, you can also run frequently corrected problems directly without running the Fix Common Problem window. Other options of the Fix Problems tab are check hard disks for errors, restore previously deleted files, or run AVG Process Manager to view running processes. Last but not least, there is a button to show system information. The next part of module selection is the Personalize tab. This part allows you to personalize not just options and behavior, but also appearance and graphics effects of the system. Again, you can access frequently used settings directly using the links provided. There is also the possibility to select new visual styles, boot and logon screens, icons, and startup logos from the AVG website by clicking the Download New Themes for Free link. The last tab is called All Functions. This tab contains all the main features previously described in one view. The last part of the Start Center is the menu bar at the very top. The first item is the Help and Support menu. from where we can get help for AVG PC tune-up, navigate the AVG website, register product, and so on. The next one is the Settings menu, where we can set up options for all modules. You can also become an AVG PC Tuneup 2014 fan on Facebook. This helps you to stay tuned with tips and tricks and other useful info. Congratulations! Now you know the main features of the AVG PC Tuneup. You can visit our webpage, download installation files and documentation, check our knowledge base, or contact our 24/7 technical support.